they do the show. Over here is our maintenance section. Everyday work changes flats. We have a lot of flats out here. Come on over this way and see what's happening down there. Roderick working on the 920 truck. This guy has no brains. This man's losing it. He ain't playing with a full deck. As you can see, most of them are standing around doing nothing. Changing flats. Yeah. I worked 3 weeks straight and I got 2 days off.
Get out that box, bitch.
All right, come on this way. Junior? Still rolling? Yeah. More of equipment we have. That's the front end loader. That's some deuce and a half. That's the fuel truck. That's a scraper. It's a 920. That's another scraper. This is an armored dozer. I know many of you people might not ever see one of these things before. They use it to clear minefields, and combat engineers use these things. It has like a armor on it, like an inch thick steel. See, we painted it. I don't know exactly what they do. If you look down here, there's concertina wire going around most of the berm. Not fun to set out. Right now we're going to show Iraqi tank. Huh? Yeah. Wait till we get over there. Howard Brown and Joe Celestine. They ain't doing nothing. They probably don't know what they're doing anyway. Hey, Howard! No, Celestian. Let's go over here. Yeah, Celestian.
Yeah, I'm the only one that do stuff around here.
Uh-oh.
But yeah, Bordelon, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Uh-oh.
I wish I had my walk, but I damn with everything for y'all. Y'all want me to damn what? Time to go to the house anyway.
Time to go to the house.
That's right. See, I'm ready to go back to the house. I just can't wait till I get back, son. That's all good.
Let's go.
I don't want to be on that too much.
Got it?
Yeah.
look right here, this is generators. This is how we get our electricity. We don't have power lines or nothing out here. We get our water from like 50 miles down the road. That's how we get our electricity. No nightclubs out here. Vanessa, I know you worry about it. You always accuse me of going out somewhere. Ain't no nightclubs out here. You ain't gotta worry. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Okay. This is Soviet EMP. They confiscated out of Iraq.
It's a personnel carrier, not a...
Remember, kids, don't start this at home.
It's a personnel carrier. Not a BMP. Capture this with your bare hands, huh, Peter?
That's it. The enemy travels in this.
Enema.
We took him out.
The enema travels in here.
Must have killed him. Got this language in there?
Yeah.
That writing in there?
What does that say?
Iraq sucks. That's what that means.
What this really is a little ballroom.
Yeah, we have a few kegs of beer in there, and we
It's a big refrigerator.
let out a little frustration.
As you can see, them tracks missing.
This is our little church deal where we have church on Sundays. As you can see, it's not all that great, but it's better than nothing. Let's go in here. Maybe we can. Maybe the priest will be in there. Yeah, he's in there. Looks like he's in deep prayers. Come in, my child. Welcome. Lord is coming. Lord, forgive us for our sins. Come in, my child. Welcome to the Church of God, Saudi Arabia. I am your pastor and reverend for the day. And we live by rock and roll. We want to go to confession. Anybody here want to go to confession? The confession booth is open from 8 to 9 in the morning. There is a 15-minute limit on sins. Please note this. This is our church. I'm the Reverend. Over and out. Thank you, Pastor, for your time. It's our watchtower. Pretty much says it all. You get in the tower and you watch. Nothing else to it. Watch for what? Watch for the enemy. Enemy? Yeah. Get a little close-up shot here. See, as you can see, there's nobody in there. Nobody's watching. But that figures. No, what it is, they're up there, but they're sleeping. Yeah, probably so. There's somebody in there, but they're sleeping. Well, we'll go check it out. The top of the tower. There's nobody in here except us now. There's a truck about to come in the front gate. Guards are checking him out. Over here, that's all big company right here. Hard at work, of course. That guy looks like he's lost. Ain't nobody out there in their yard. There's a chow hall right there. And this is the rest of the battalion all the way around. That's not South Central Bell, you can believe that. Okay, might be Vanessa.
Hello? Peter? Who's this? Vanessa? He's busy right now. Call you back? All right. Okay. All right, bye. Vanessa, she called. She said get back with you whenever she can.
Okay, I hope she wasn't mad. And that's about it from up here, folks. Look at the desert. That's not Spring Bayou out there. Signatures isn't out there. Night Moon, the lighthouse, nothing. Just some stupid Arabs. By the way, I'm trying not to get you dizzy right here. Let's hit it again. Iraq is this way, just in case you wanted to know. Over and out. I don't know what else to say. We're just gonna walk around and
Ain't too much to see in this son of a gun. We need to go to that little town.
there, it's desert.
Try to get some Arabs on us.
Look at this. This is an Iraqi ship with an Iraqi flip-flop.
That's it right there. That was wore by Saddam's brother.
As you can see, that, I mean, that's not a Nike flip-flop.
Our soul.
That really is, though.
It is. It fell off that tank.
As you can see, our compound is pretty big.
And as you can see, there's nothing to see in it.
As you can see, it's if you look at my watch, it's 9:25 Saudi time. Look at these guys by the flagpole. He's in shorts. How hard we work. We could be home right now.
Got to show the swimming pool over there.
I could be home. What I want to do when I get back, I want to invest in Coors Light, Bud Light, Budweiser, Michelob, and Jägermeister company. That's what I want to do. I want to invest in that company.
But we got the swimming pool yesterday.
That's the tank again. We had a couple more. The real tank.
Hey.
Kind of looked like a howitzer, but they took it.
Peter, let's go in the command center, bro.
Okay. All right, this is top secret. We're going in the command center, and I will show you where we're at.
Now, you gotta remember we need to gotta go through a strict security clearance
Strict security.
to get into that thing. And
Hey, if you take a look down here, it's real sand.
right.
I just thought I'd let you know that.
Yeah, just in case they thought we were in the mountains or something in Colorado.
I know all you people back home think we're not doing anything,
But we aren't.
yeah. Me and Chad were attached to a Green Beret squad, and we just got back a few days ago. This is our mailbox.
One more time.
This is our mailbox.
There you go.
It's red. That's about it.
That's about it. See, they're having a...
This is the powerhouse right here. They're really having a meeting. In there is the maps and stuff to show you where we are. But they haven't, due to certain factors, we cannot proceed. Maybe we can sneak in just a little. As you can see, there ain't too much going on. They're probably just talking about women and getting drunk.
Yeah, that's probably all the meeting is about.
We'll come back later. Mako, like 10,500 miles. Up French, about to say this. Good club.
Sign off message?
My fellow Americans. No.
That's all you gotta say?
Yeah, I wish we could go in the cockpit.
You see
Show
that?
you where we really are. We're very close to Iraq. We're about 15 miles from the Iraqi border here. Well, no, about 25 miles. North is this way. That's our barber coming right here. This is Rhett. Just tell.
Barbara,
I need a haircut.
I need a haircut.
Need a haircut today, serious.
For a tire.
Oh, yeah, I need a haircut today, bro.
I got one service.
Make it back. All right. Haircut. This is the man with the plan right here.
This man can cut hair anywhere on your body, son, right here.
That's the man that keeps the little short. Pull over this way, I want to show you what we got to eat.
Let's try to see what Mike Thompson is doing this morning. Mike Thompson. Hey guys, I'll tell y'all one thing, sir. I'll tell y'all something, y'all young guys. Hey.
You gotta watch it. It's barricaded waterway. It's barricaded very well. This is all water here. Bottled water. Tastes pretty good. Here's an MRE. MRE, meals ready to eat. It should be MNRE, meals not ready to eat. Trust me, they don't taste too good.
What's the moon for that, Peter?
What?
Peter, man.
You gotta eat them at night.
Yeah. What's the screening for? The enema? So the enema don't see this?
When helicopters fly over, they can't see what we're doing. Nobody can come steal this delicious food we have.
Oh, okay.
Two Apache tank killing helicopters flew over yesterday. Wish I could have caught that on film. So, due to certain factors, we didn't have the camera. Anyway.
Due to certain factors beyond our control.
Well, this is Trump Palace here, by the way.
Oh, this is where all the gambling goes on.
Heavy card games going on right here. Trump Palace. And wheeling and dealing goes on right here. They got it fixed up. Also